Today I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel or OpenOffice to make your reports in ScienceLogic SL1 a little bit cooler, a little bit more modern than they come out of the box with. So I'm using SL1 version 8.14, and I'm using the AP2 interface. So if you're not familiar with that, to get to the reports, we're going to go to the menu, click into that, click Reports, go ahead and push that back over. Now we'll have to drill down into Management and go to Report Output Templates. In this case, I've identified a report that I would already like to adjust, and that's the device utilization report. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to open it with Excel. Now, if you have OpenOffice installed, that's probably ideal. I haven't found an issue with most of the things that I've tried to do if I use Excel versus OpenOffice. So that's why I'm going ahead and using Excel. So in this case, if I have a CPU utilization on a device that's over 95%, I want to make it more obvious for myself. So I'm going to go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, and go to Greater Than. And in this case, if I have a cell that is greater than 95, I want it to fill in light red fill with dark red text, which is your default. If you want to change this, say you want it to be less than 75 or less than 50, and you want to make that green, you have the option to do that as well through the conditional formatting here. So I'm going to leave it at 95, light red fill, dark red text, hit OK. And then we can save this once we've got our ODS file saved. And Excel will warn you that some features may not be compatible. Go ahead and give it a try anyway. There's a lot of compatibility between the two pieces of software nowadays. And then, let's go back here. Hit the upload button, browse to your file, upload it, and the next time you run the report, you should see that conditional formatting available to you. It's a nice way to spruce up some of these out-of-the-box reports, or if you're doing custom reports, it adds some pretty cool features to the reports that you build.